Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from legal words. In Pakistan, the legal system is a complex framework that draws from various sources, including statutes, case law, Islamic law, and customary practices. Full stop. The Constitution of Pakistan, adopted in 1973, serves as the supreme law of the land, establishing the structure of the government, delineating the distribution of powers between the federal and provincial governments, and enshrining fundamental rights. Full stop. The judiciary, consisting of the Supreme Court of Pakistan, High Courts and subordinate courts, plays a crucial role in interpreting and enforcing the law. Full stop. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial authority, with the power of judicial review to ensure the constitutionality of laws and actions taken by the executive and legislative branches. Full stop. High courts have jurisdiction over their respective provinces and territories, while subordinate courts handle civil and criminal cases at the district level. Full stop. The legal profession in Pakistan is regulated by the Pakistan Bar Council and provincial bar councils, which set standards for legal education, admission to the bar, and professional conduct. Full stop. Lawyers, known as advocates, are licensed to represent clients in court proceedings and provide legal advice on various matters. Full stop. The legal education system in Pakistan includes law school affiliated with the universities offering undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in law. Full stop. Legal education covers a wide range of subjects, including constitutional law, criminal law, civil procedure, and international law. Full stop. Sharia law, derived from Islamic principles, influences certain areas of law in Pakistan, particularly family law, inheritance, and personal status matters. Full stop. Islamic law courts, known as Darul Qaza, operate alongside the formal legal system, resolving disputes among the Muslims according to Islamic jurisprudence. Full stop. Customary law, based on local traditions and practices, also plays a role in certain areas, especially in rural communities. Full stop. The Pakistan Penal Code, enacted in 1860 during British colonial rule, defines various criminal offences and prescribes penalties for violation. Full stop. Amendments and new laws have been introduced over the years to address emerging legal issues and align with the international standards. Full stop. The Code of Criminal Procedure and Code of Civil Procedure outline the procedures for conducting criminal and civil trials, respectively. Full stop. Specialized laws regulate specific areas such as taxation, labor relations, environmental protection, and intellectual property rights. Full stop. The Federal Shariat Court, established in 1980, ensures that laws passed by the Parliament comply with the Islamic principles. Full stop. Alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, including mediation and arbitration, offer alternatives to traditional litigation and help alleviate the burden on the formal court system. Full stop. Legal aid services are available to ensure access to justice for marginalized and underprivileged individuals. Full stop. Despite challenges such as corruption, backlog of cases, lack of legal awareness, efforts are underway to reform and strengthen the legal system in Pakistan, promoting the rule of law and protecting the rights of all the citizens. Full stop.